Welcome back, guys. I hope all of you are doing well. Today I'm going to share with you a very interesting functionality in Excel, that is switch. So I believe most of you have already used the functionality of if or statement of if. That is a logical function which represents a particular outcome in a particular situation. So for example, if text in box 1 is A, then outcome should be apple. If it's B, then balloon. If it's C, then cat, etc., etc. So if is representing a situation where you get an outcome. In the switch, it's more or less the same functionality, but in an easy way. So if you're struggling with if statement, then this is your feature that you will definitely enjoy too. So I'll move on straight away to our Excel spreadsheet. There I have a cell B6 that contains a number 1. So I want to present a situation where I can get, let's say, names of days with respect to the numbers we have here. So for example, is equal to switch. Switch is the syntax as well, SWITCH. Start with, let's give the first reference. So this is the reference. And then what is it? If reference is 1, then I should get outcome of Monday and close it. Then if the reference is 2, then I should get an outcome of Tuesday. If the reference is 3, then I should get an outcome of Wednesday. So on and so forth. You can continue pulling it here. I will put more numbers here. For example, if it is 2, Tuesday. If it is 3, Wednesday. Easy peasy. It's easier than your if statement, so you don't have to worry much about what to put in the statement and close the statement and all those things. It's very simple. In my opinion, it's easier to execute. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Practice it and do share your comments and question in the comment section. I look forward to see you again with a new and easy tip on Microsoft Excel. Till then, take care and ciao. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, please do it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regularly notifications from my new videos.